Do you want to know how to make money on YouTube without showing your face? In today's video, we're going to go over a software called Doodle Maker, which you can use to easily create animated videos and audio tracks. And that's right, you never have to show your face or use your voice. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build income online. New videos go up every week, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. So what is Doodle Maker? Doodle Maker is a cloud-based explainer video software that automatically transforms any text or content into a colorful doodle video. And on top of that, it uses text-to-speech technology to automatically create the audio track for your doodle videos. In this video, we're going to go over the Doodle Maker software, how it works, the sales funnel, as well as give you examples of how to use this software to make an income online. I want to give you the best information possible so you can make a decision if this is the right software to help you along your online journey. If you decide Doodle Maker is the right tool for you, you could pick it up from the link in my description. Okay, so this is the Doodle Maker software, but I just wanted to start off where to find the tutorial. So when you first enter the software, you could either find the tutorials from the video tutorials tab on the home page, or along the left sidebar, it just says training. On this page, you'll find a lot of tutorials that will help you answer questions that you may have about Doodle Maker once you start using it. Another really awesome resource that they have is this 21-day webinar replay, which you just click that and it will bring up a bunch of YouTube links, which you could just add to a playlist on YouTube or just watch them from this page. They're just live trainings that they did, and you have access to all the replays, and I've watched them and they're very, very valuable. So to start a new project in Doodle Maker, it's really simple. You just click Create Project and you're given 3 different options. You could either use a template that they have, and they have a lot of different templates, so you are gonna have no trouble finding something that's at least close to whatever you're trying to make a video for. You could also start from scratch. Then they also have this feature where you could take a YouTube video, drop it in here, probably one of your YouTube videos, don't steal. And then it will create a text-to-speech version that you could translate into any language in their system. Now the ready-made templates, they come in whiteboard versions, glass board versions, and blackboard versions. And if you want to use the voiceover version that's built in, you can narrow it down by male or female voiceovers. There are a lot of different options that you have here. You'll just need to go through these and find the one that works best for whatever video you're doing if you decide to use one of these templates. Once you find a template that you like, you could just modify the clip art and the text and your logo, and it is a completely original video. And if you decide you don't like the order of the slides in the template, you could easily just grab one of the numbers and drag it, and it will reorder the slides. If you're deciding that you're going to start from scratch, you could just give it a name. If you have a voiceover file that you want to upload, just click this and then you can save, and then it will let you upload the file. Then we can just add in the script. Do you want to make YouTube videos without showing your face? Add a new slide. Then you could paste in that. And so we just have the 2, but you could make as many as you want. If I click save, it would do its best to find things I'm talking about video. So it gave me these video clip arts. Here, I'm talking about sound, so it gave me a sound clip art. So it's doing its best to try and figure out a clip art that might work, but you could always just swap these out with clip art that is a little bit more in line with what you're promoting. Here's an example of one that I had already done, filled out all the slides. I swapped out the clip art with some that make a little bit more sense, added in some text, and each slide has its own voiceover.
Do you want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face?
And I can go to the next one.
That's not a problem anymore with Doodle Maker.
You could also change the voice. Just pick which one works best for your video. Once you're done, you could just render it and download the file. And then I had mentioned the other feature about being able to translate videos. I'm not gonna dive too deep into that one right now, but I just wanted to let you know that it's there. It basically just translates your YouTube video, which you should only use ones that you own, into a text version that it could then now create a doodle video based off of a video that you already made, and in any language that they offer. So if you decide to use the text-to-speech software, just select the accent that you want to go with. There are plenty of voices that come with the base version of this software, so if you don't get the premium version, then you don't have to worry. There is more than you'll ever need. Once you have the voice selected, you can just click Edit Text, and then you can modify the text to be whatever you like. I really do love the fact that text-to-speech is built into this software. It isn't the most human-readable version that I've ever found, but it does definitely sound really good. My favorite text-to-speech software is actually called Speechlo, and you can check out a review for it right here. If you don't want to use text-to-speech and you don't want to use your own voice, you could always go to sites like Fiverr and hire a voiceover artist that will do this for you for just a couple dollars. One thing that's really cool about this software is that it's connected to several free asset libraries. Now you can go get icons, images, You could upload your own images if you have the rights to them, clip art, basically anything you need to build an amazing video. Just click this little plus, it will add it to your project, and then you could animate it. And animating in the software is actually insanely easy. You could have it drawn in, pushed in, just click this drop-down menu, click the transition that you want, and then preview it to see if it's what you like.
Please write your text here.
One other killer feature that is built into DoodleMaker is that it has an audio library that you could use in any of your videos. You get audio tracks like this from other sources like the YouTube audio library, but it is insanely convenient that it is built in and that you could use them in your videos. Just simply click backgrounds and select the song that you want, and once you find it, test it. If you like it, update, and it will add it to your video. So I wanted to quickly go over their funnel. So the first thing that you have is the commercial license, is what I bought, and I feel like that I got everything that I needed out of just the commercial license if I'm just making my own videos. Now the other ones, they have enterprise, which is more if you're trying to sell it and use it on things like Fiverr. If you're making videos for other people or something to that nature, you might want to pick that up. Now, another one is their white label. White label basically means that you could take the software, put your own branding on it, and then sell it for 100% profit. If you want to just get a couple white label accounts, you can get 50 of them for $97. And then you could also get unlimited accounts, which if you're trying to build a larger business, it might make sense. And that's $497. Again, these prices might change, I don't know, but I didn't pick these up because it wasn't something that I needed. Now, the next one is DoodleMaker Deluxe. With Deluxe, you do end up getting additional templates, additional voices, and things like that. You get new characters, you get more music, basically everything that you got with the regular version, they just give you more. A lot of softwares try and charge a monthly fee to get updates, and they're not doing that, which I find really convenient and very nice. And if you're going to use this to make money, it might make sense for you, but if not, it's not a required feature. The next one was their Tune Video app. The Tune Video app, it's basically sort of like DoodleMaker. It makes explainer videos, but more like animations. Instead of it just being simple text and just hand drawn in, it's a little bit more animated, a little bit more cartoony. If this is something you're interested in, it might be a good option for you. And so the next one is just their client engine. So the client engine, as they put it, it's to help you find an endless supply of top paying clients ready to hire you now. So if this is something that you're looking to do, maybe as a freelancer, this may help you move along that process. So again, all of those are just optional. I only got the commercial version, and that seemed like it was plenty for my purposes, but you might get some use out of these, and if you do, they might help you along your path. If you decide to get one, let me know in the comments which one you got and why. Now, if you're interested in these, don't feel pressured to buy them right away. They're all still available in your back office. You could still upgrade them later on if you decide that you want them. Like every software, DoodleMaker has some pros and some cons. Pros: most affordable doodle software I've been able to find. Integrated clip art, beginner friendly, change video style after it's already done. Free audio tracks, free text-to-speech and transitions. Easy way to get started on YouTube without showing your face or using your voice. Now, there are a couple of cons. You can't copy and paste from one slide to another. And also, you have a 15-minute video max with Enterprise and a 6-minute video max with Commercial, but you could easily edit those together in post. There were a few other cons that I had right when the software was released, but they have updated and fixed them. Now, in my opinion, one of the easiest and fastest ways to use DoodleMaker to make an income is to do product reviews. Doing something like this removes the concern that many people have about YouTube demonetizing content they say is auto-generated. Text-to-speech and stock footage are the usual culprits. You know your video has value, but if YouTube decides to not allow ads on your video, you can still make money from the affiliate offers. And in all honesty, you can make a lot more money from affiliate offers than from the YouTube partner program. Just remember, only honest reviews. And I wanted to remind you that since DoodleMaker is on JVZoo, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not for you, you could just return it, no questions asked. When I first started on YouTube, I didn't want to show my face either, and this is an amazing solution. What's your favorite tool to make money online without showing your face? Let us know in the comments. If you got value out of this video, check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.